I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you ever feel uneasy about a transaction on Xoom, it's important to know how to report it. Here is a simple guide to help you through the process. Step 1. Log into your Xoom account. Start by accessing your Xoom account on the website or app. Use your credentials to log in securely. Step 2. Navigate to the Help Center. Once logged in, look for the Help Center. This is where you can find resources for reporting issues. Step 3. Select Report Suspicious Activity. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Fill out the reporting form. Complete the form with all relevant details about the suspicious transaction. Be as specific as possible to help the support team. Remember, if you are unsure about the transaction ID, check your transaction history under the Activity tab. Step 5. Submit and wait for a response. After filling out the form, submit it and keep an eye on your email for any updates from Xoom regarding your report. If you ever feel uncertain about a transaction, don't hesitate to report it. It is always better to be safe than sorry.